हर किसी को दिन के वही 24 घंटे मिलते हैं, तो फिर जरा ये बताइए, why do some people seem to get so much more done than others? How do they do more, achieve more, earn more, have more? If time is the currency of achievement, then why are some able to cash in their allotment for more chips than others? The answer any true be your own boss will give to you is that they make getting to the heart of things the heart of their approach. They go small. हमें पता है कि ये बातें आपको घी से पिटी लग रही होंगी. Sounds too basic, right? It's like personality development 1-on-1. But जरा अब हमारी बात कान खोल कर सुन लीजिए. Trust us. This is the single most important factor which shall help you immensely to be your own boss. When you want the absolute best chance to succeed at anything you want, your approach should always be the same. Go small. Going small का मतलब ये नहीं कि सोच छोटी रखनी है. Of course not. Going small का मतलब है ignoring all the things you could do and doing what you should do. Going small का मतलब है ये recognize करना that not all things matter equally and finding the things that matter the most. It's a tighter way to connect what you do with what you want. Going small का मतलब है to realize that extraordinary results are directly determined by how narrow you can make your focus. The way to get the most out of your work and your life is to go as small as possible. ज्यादातर लोगों को इसका ऑपोजिट लगता है. The bigger, the better. उन्हें लगता है कि बड़ी सक्सेस हासिल करना बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. नतीजा ये होता है कि उनके कैलेंडर्स और टू डू लिस्ट ओवरलोडेड और ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाते हैं. धीरे धीरे सक्सेस पहुंच से दूर दिखने लगती है. It starts to feel out of reach. So they settle for less. लोगों को आइडिया ही नहीं है कि बड़ी सक्सेस तब मिलती है जब आप छोटे छोटे टास्क भी सही तरीके से अंजाम देते हैं. ऐसे में चांसेस ये हैं that people get lost trying to do too much and in the end accomplish too little. Again, expectations का लेवल गिरने लगता है and over the time they tend to abandon their dreams and allow their life to get small. This is the wrong thing to make small. You have only so much time and energy. So when you spread yourself out, you end up thin spread. You want your achievements to add up, but that actually takes subtraction, not addition. आपको कुछ स्पेसिफिक कामों पर कंसंट्रेट करना चाहिए for more effect and instead of doing more things with side effects. Trying to do too much के साथ लोचा ये है कि even if it works, adding more to your work and your life without cutting anything brings a lot of bad with it. यानी नतीजा जैसा भी हो, सफर आपका बेहद ज्यादा मुश्किल रहेगा. जैसे कि missed deadlines, disappointing results, high stress, long hours, भूख और नींद को बाय बाय. एक्सरसाइज तो मिस करोगे ही, और रही बात फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के साथ मोमेंट्स की, तो जनाब वो तो भूल ही जाइए. All in the name of going after something that is easier to get than you might imagine. Going small is a simple approach to extraordinary results, and it works. It works all the time, anywhere and on anything. Why? Because it has only one purpose: to ultimately get you to the point. When you go as small as possible, you will be focused on the one most important thing you want to become or achieve in life. What is that one single thing, one determined purpose, one objective, one major achievement of yours that you can pursue and focus on in this week, such that by doing it, everything else would be easier or unnecessary. As Tony Robbins says, where focus goes, energy flows, and that's the point. We at Indian Design League, where we help aspiring entrepreneurs and experts to understand how they can become high-performance influencers, learn the art of positioning, packaging, and promoting their products and services online, so that they can build a successful and sustainable business, grow their wealth, and have more freedom. In the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities, said Shunryu Suzuki. What a great thought from a great man. Every one of us are at one or the other state of our lives, and we collectively form the state of being a beginner. तो क्या ये गलत है, बुरा है? No. You know why? Because it's much better than being in nascent stage where you have absolutely zero clarity or you are indulged in nothing. आप एक बिगनर हैं जिसकी वजह से आप अपने लाइफ डिसीजंस को लेकर कॉन्शियस रहेंगे. You will be conscious of how you would like to take your life ahead. What choices will carve out the quality of life you dreamt of, and most importantly, why are you ready to take such efforts? This has been summed up by the ideal of the value of perseverance, Muhammad Ali. He said, even the greatest was once a beginner. Don't be afraid to take the first step. What crosses your mind when you say you want to be your own boss? We know what it means for you. And today you will start a journey that will bring all of that thought into a trained effort. Let's begin with the miracle of being. Be your own boss. Be your own boss. ये सुनते ही आपके अंदर एक नई एनर्जी जग गई होगी. आप आज तक कमिटमेंट और डिसिप्लिन की वजह से यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं. आप आज जहाँ हैं वहाँ से नेक्स्ट लेवल जाना चाहते हैं. आप में से सभी को ये पता होगा कि आप अभी जिस लेवल पर हैं उससे बेहतर और उससे ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हैं. इसीलिए तो आप आज भी ऐसे एफर्ट्स लेने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं. आप सब भी वो फ्रीडम चाहते हैं जिससे आप कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं जो आपको बी योर ओन बॉस बना सकता है. Whatever the set standards are, you want to outperform all of them. Be your own boss is the one who does better and better and better in every given stage of their life. लेकिन आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ऐसी कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजीज है जिन पर काम करने से आप एक बी योर ओन बॉस बन सकते हैं. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दिस. Life is all about transition, and Amit, the founder and chairman of ITL, इस बात को मानते हैं that we live a be your own boss life. We don't worry about making the waves. We worry about doing what's right and what's meaningful. If controversy or hurt feelings happen along the way, be your own boss. Meet them with their full presence and care, but they still march on. पहली नजर में ऐसा लगेगा कि जो लोग बी योर ओन बॉस की लाइफ एंजॉय कर रहे हैं उन्होंने अपने रास्ते के सारे ऑब्स्टैकल्स को सरपास कर दिया है एंड आर लिविंग अ चार्म्ड एग्जिस्टेंस. बट दैट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली राइट. बस होता ये है कि जो लोग हाई चार्ज लेवल्स पर होते हैं वो अपने जर्नी को भरपूर एंजॉय करते हैं, चाहे रास्ते में कितनी और कैसी भी मुश्किलें आए. They are deeply enthusiastic about facing life's challenges one at a time and designing their own destinies. उन्हें पता है कि they are works in progress and they take pleasure in shaping themselves and reinventing their realities. They are definitely not asking reality or life to make them safe or satisfied at all. जबकि they look forward to the opportunities for change and growth. They focus on serving and contributing to the world. Their credo is, ask not what you are getting from the world, but rather what you are giving to the world. अमित का पर्सनल ड्रीम रहा है कि वो एस्पायरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और एक्सपर्ट्स को अपने मनचाहे मुकाम पर पहुंचने में मदद करे. कभी कभार अमित को भी ऐसा लगता है that he himself is exerting too much and that he doesn't want to push forward anymore. आसान शब्दों में अगर कहें तो जितने भी बी योर ओन बॉसेस हैं वो भी कभी कभार कुछ ना करने जैसा फील करते हैं. लेकिन डिफरेंस ये है कि बी योर ओन बॉस हमेशा अपनी सिचुएशन को डिकोड करते हैं. Even when Amit doesn't feel like doing anything, he still builds a disciplined routine that encompasses his will to move ahead. अमित मानते हैं कि 99% फेलियर्स और सक्सेसफुल लोगों में एक चीज कॉमन है. They all hate doing the same thing. Change is hard. That's why people don't transform their bad habits and why people end up unhappy and unsuccessful. Personally, here at Indian Design League, we all are happy when something is hard. Why? Because we know that most people won't do what it takes and won't take the lead. We love what Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said so eloquently. The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenges. जब भी आप मुश्किलें फेस करते हैं, आपके रास्ते में हर्डल्स आते हैं और वो भी आप मजबूती से सारे हर्डल्स को फेस करते हैं. That's when you earn your improvement and gain an upper hand over the competition. If it's hard, awkward or tedious, so be it. Just do it and keep doing it. Be your own boss. Have greater resilience to bounce back when things, even in their personal lives, take a toss. And with this course, you will be able to build your resilience more. आज हम एक ऑनलाइन मोड से जुड़े हुए हैं और एक बी योर ओन बॉस बनने की तैयारी हमने आज से ही शुरू कर दी है. आप में और बाकियों में ये एक बहुत बड़ा फर्क है that you are a quick learner. आपने अपने आप को कन्विंस किया है कि आप इस कोर्स से जुड़ना चाहते हैं because you want to upgrade and upscale your business, financial and personal life. आप यहाँ सिखाई जाने वाली सारी चीजों को बेहतर तरीके से एब्जॉर्ब कर पाएंगे because you are quick learner. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप कितने स्मार्ट हैं या नहीं हैं. आपको मेहनत की जरूरत है या फिर आप एक्सपीरियंस्ड, एबल, इंटेलिजेंट या फिर बॉर्न लर्नर है. यू नीड टू मेक अप इन हार्ड वर्क व्हाट यू लैक इन एक्सपीरियंस, स्किल, इंटेलिजेंस एंड इनेट एबिलिटी. अगर आपका कॉम्पिटिटर कॉन्फिडेंट है, इंटेलिजेंट है, आपसे ज्यादा एबल है या फिर एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, तो आपको बस 3 से 4 बार ज्यादा मेहनत करने की जरूरत है. आप अभी भी उन्हें हरा सकते हैं. No matter what the challenge, you can make up in hard work for wherever you might be disadvantaged. Do you miss free throws at the game? Do 1000 free throws every day for a month. Not good at dribbling with your left hand? Tie your right hand behind your back and dribble 3 hours a day. English में ज़्यादा confident नहीं है? Worry not. Help लीजिए. Do something about it. Tutor hire करिए and work like hell all month until you get it. No excuses. If you aren't good at something, work harder, work smarter. Amit walked his talk too. He went from being a national level player in basketball to a top educationalist. From there, he became the boss and ultimately went on to own his own company. But he wasn't given loads of instruction. शुरुआत में अमित के फादर ने भी अमित को सब फिगर आउट करने दिया. His dad was all about taking personal responsibility. He didn't hammer on Amit every night about homework. He just had to show up with the results. And when he did, he was celebrated. अगर नंबर अच्छे मिले तो फिर उनके डैड उन्हें फेवरेट आइसक्रीम पार्लर पर ले जाते थे where he could get these king banana splits, 6 scoops of ice cream and all the fixings. Many a times his brother didn't fare as well in school, so he didn't get to go. Getting to go was a big deal. So he worked his butt off to win this trip. Discipline का ये तरीका अमित के लिए जीता जागता एग्जाम्पल है. His dad was his idol and he wanted him to be proud. He also lived in fear of disappointing him. One of Amit's philosophies is be the guy who says no. It's no great achievement to go along with the crowd. Be the unusual guy, the extraordinary guy. Be your own boss. For be your own boss, you need 5 key learnings that will help you to devise a great plan for yourself. ये सारे पॉइंट्स आपको लाइफ के हर स्टेज में काम आएंगे. बात चाहे हो रूटीन लाइफ की या फ्यूचर प्लानिंग की, आप इन सारे पॉइंटर्स को अपनाएंगे तो खुद ही पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स पाएंगे. These 5 key learnings are tried and tested. आपके पास ये पॉइंटर्स पहुंचाने के पहले ये हमने एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और हाई लेवल मैनेजर्स के ऊपर भी टेस्ट किया है एंड दे हैव ऑल रिसीव्ड ग्रेट पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स. Today we are happy to share this with you, our upcoming and aspiring Be Your Own Boss. So let's have a look at these 5 key learnings for becoming Be Your Own Boss and jumpstart your career, your life and your business. First, one primary thing. Extraordinarily successful companies always have one product or service they are most known for or that makes them the most money. कर्नल सैंडर्स ने KFC शुरू किया था एक सिंगल सीक्रेट चिकन रेसिपी से. माइक्रो प्रोसेसर्स जनरेट द वास्ट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इंटेल्स नेट रेवेन्यू. और स्टारबक्स, we think you know. The list of businesses that have achieved extraordinary results through the power of focusing on one primary thing is endless. Sometimes what is made or delivered is also what is sold, sometimes not. Take Google. Their one primary thing is search, which makes selling advertising its key source of revenue possible. And what about Star Wars? Is the one primary thing movies or merchandise? If you guessed merchandise, you would be right. And you would be wrong. पिछले कुछ वक्त से स्टार वॉर टॉय से जो रेवेन्यू जनरेट होता था वो $10 बिलियन से ज्यादा था, जबकि वर्ल्ड वाइड बॉक्स ऑफिस की रेवेन्यू में 6 main films totaled less than half of that. That is $4.3 billion. From where I sit, movies are the one primary thing because they make the toys and products possible. Results हमेशा सटीक या फिर क्लियर नहीं होते, लेकिन that doesn't make finding it any less important. Technological innovations, cultural shifts, and competitive forces will often dictate that a business's one thing evolve or transform. The most successful companies know this and are always asking, what's our one primary thing? Apple is a study in creating an environment where an extraordinary one primary thing can exist while transitioning to another extraordinary one thing. 1998 से 2012 के बीच Apple's one primary thing moved from Macs to iMacs to iTunes to iPods to iPhones, with the iPad already jockeying for the pole position at the head of the product line. जैसे जैसे Apple के नए नए गोल्डन गैजेट को लाइमलाइट मिली, बाकी के प्रोडक्ट्स को डिसकंटिन्यू नहीं किया गया और ना ही उन्हें डिस्काउंट टेबल पर रख दिया गया. Those lines plus others continue to be refined, while the current one primary thing created a well-documented halo effect, making the user more likely to adopt the whole Apple product family. When you get the one primary thing, you begin to see the business world differently. If today your company doesn't know what its one primary thing is, then the company's one thing is to find it out. Most important चीज सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही चीज हो सकती है. Many things may be important, but only one can be the most important. Second, one primary person. The one primary thing is a dominant theme that shows up in different ways. उसी कॉन्सेप्ट को लोगों पर अप्लाई करिए and you will see where one primary person makes all the differences. As a freshman in high school, Walt Disney took night courses at the Chicago Art Institute and became the cartoonist for his school newspaper. ग्रेजुएशन के बाद वो न्यूज़पेपर कार्टूनिस्ट बनना चाहते थे बट उन्हें जॉब नहीं मिली. तब उनके भाई रॉय ने उन्हें एक आर्ट स्टूडियो में काम दिलाया. It was there he learned animation and began creating animated cartoons. When Walt was young, his one primary person was Roy. For Sam Walton, early on it was L.S. Robson, his father-in-law, जिन्होंने सैम को $20,000 का लोन दिया, जिससे सैम ने अपना पहला रिटेल बिजनेस शुरू किया, a Ben Franklin franchise store. Then when Sam was opening his first Walmart, Robson secretly paid a landlord $20,000 to provide a pivotal expansion lease. Albert Einstein had Max Talmand, his first mentor. It was Max who introduced a 10-year-old Einstein to key texts in maths, science, and philosophy. Max took one meal a week with the Einstein family for 6 years while guiding young Albert. No one is self-made. ओपरा विनफ्री अपने फादर को क्रेडिट देती हैं एंड द टाइम शी स्पेंड विद हिम एंड हिज वाइफ फॉर सेविंग हर। ओपरा ने द वॉशिंगटन पोस्ट के जिल नेल्सन से बातचीत के टाइम ये बताया था कि इफ आई हैडंट बीन सेंट टू माय फादर आई वुड हैव गॉन इन अनदर डायरेक्शन। Professionally, it started with Jeffrey D. Jacobs, the lawyer, agent manager, and financial advisor who, when Oprah was looking for employment contract advice, persuaded her to establish her own company rather than simply be a talent for hire. Harper Productions Inc. was born. हर किसी के पास वो एक primary person होता है who either means the most to them or was the first to influence, train, or manage them. No one succeeds alone. No one. Third, one primary passion, one primary skill. आप किसी भी extraordinary success story में झांक कर देख लीजिए. The one primary thing is always there. ये हर किसी successful business की life में जरूरी होती है. And in the professional life of anyone successful. It also shows up around personal passions and skills. हर किसी के पास passions हैं और skills भी हैं. Each of us. That includes you too, full of passions and skills. लेकिन आप देखेंगे extraordinarily successful लोगों को with one intense emotion or one learned ability that shines through, defining them or driving them more than anything else. कई बार ऐसा हो सकता है कि passion और skills के बीच की लाइन थोड़ी धुंधली हो जाए, blur effect के साथ। वो इसलिए होगा क्योंकि they are almost always connected. This is the storyline for extraordinary success stories. Passion for something leads to disproportionate time practicing or working at it. That time spent eventually translates to skill, and when skill improves, results improve. Best results generally lead to more enjoyment and more passion, and more time is invested. It can be a virtuous cycle all the way to extraordinary results. The one primary thing shows up time and again in the lives of the successful because it's a fundamental truth. यही one primary thing हमारे लिए at Tintin Design League और Be Your Own Boss के लिए एक beautiful outcome बनकर सामने आया. And if you let it, it will show up for you. Applying the one primary thing to your career and in your life and your business is the simplest and smartest thing you can do to propel yourself towards the success you want. So be like a postage stamp. Stick to one thing until you get there and see the magic happening. And always remember that Vinci Lombardi beautifully quoted, "Success demands singleness of purpose." Fourth, one primary project, one primary task. To do two things at once is to do neither. So if doing the most important thing is the most important thing, why would you try to do anything else at the same time? It's a great question. Multitasking is a lie. ये झूठ है क्योंकि ज्यादातर लोग ये मान बैठे हैं कि मल्टीटास्किंग एक इफेक्टिव चीज है. It's become so mainstream that people actually think it's something they should do and do as often as possible. यकीन मानिए ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. जब आप दो चीजें एक साथ करने की कोशिश करते हो, you neither can't or won't do either well. अगर आपको भी वही लगता है कि मल्टीटास्किंग एक इफेक्टिव तरीका है, then my friend, you've got it backward. It's an effective way to get less done. As Steve Uzel said, multitasking is merely the opportunity to screw up more than one thing at a time. So it actually makes much more sense to focus on one primary project, that too, one primary task at a time. चलिए ये भी मान लिया कि लोग दो से ज्यादा काम एक साथ कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि walk and talk और chewing gum and read a map. But like computers, what we can't do is focus on two things at once. Our attention bounces back and forth. This is fine for computers, but it has serious repercussions in humans. Two airliners are cleared to land on the same runway. A patient is given the wrong medicine. A toddler is left unattended in the bathtub. ये सब जो potential strategies हैं, इन सब में common है एक चीज. That is, people are trying to do too many projects and tasks at once and forget to do something they should do. Strange है ना? But somehow over the time, the image of the modern human has become one of the multitasker. हमें लगता है कि हम ये कर सकते हैं और इसीलिए हम सोच बैठते हैं that we should do it. Kids studying while texting, listening to music or watching television. Adults driving while talking on phone, eating, makeup or even shaving. Doing something in one room while talking to someone in the next. Smartphones in hands before napkins hit laps. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे पास टाइम की कमी है to do all the things we need to do. It's that we feel the need to do too many things in the time we have. So we double and triple up in the hope of getting everything done. Researchers estimate ये करते हैं कि employees को हर 11 मिनट में interrupt किया जाता है and then spend almost a third of their day recovering from these distractions. और फिर भी इतने सारे distractions के बीच हम ये assume कर लेते हैं that we can rise above it and do what has to be done within our deadlines. Friends, multitasking is a scam. We come by it naturally. It was found that the average person has about 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts per day. This means between 35 and 48 thoughts per minute. अगर हम एवरेज भी देखें, हर दिन करीब 50,000 से 70,000 थॉट्स हमारे दिमाग में आते और जाते रहते हैं. ऐसे में हमारे मल्टीटास्किंग करने की वजह तो साफ हो ही गई. If a change in thought every few seconds is an invitation to change in direction, then it's rather obvious we are continually tempted to try to do too much at once. जब हम किसी एक चीज पर काम करते हैं, we are only seconds away from thinking of something else we could do. Moreover, history भी यही suggest करती है that our continued existence may have required that human beings evolve to be able to oversee multiple tasks at the time. Our ancestors wouldn't have lasted long if they couldn't scan for predators while gathering berries, tanning hides, or just sidling by the fire after a hard day hunting. The pull to juggle more than one task at a time is not only at the core of how we are wired, but was most likely a necessity for survival. जब आप एक टास्क से दूसरे टास्क की ओर शिफ्ट करते हैं, voluntarily or not, two things happen. The first is nearly instantaneous. You decide to switch. Predictable था ना? दूसरा वाला थोड़ा less predictable है. You have to activate the rules for whatever you are about to do. Switching between two simple tasks like watching television and folding clothes is quick and relatively painless. लेकिन जब बात आती है working on a spreadsheet and a co-worker pops into your office to discuss a business problem, the relative complexity of those tasks make it impossible to easily jump back and forth. हमेशा याद रखिए that नए टास्क को शुरू करने में आपको थोड़ा वक्त तो लगेगा ही और इसमें भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है that you will ever pick up exactly where you left off. This is a price for this. The cost in terms of extra time from having to task switch depends on how complex or how simple the tasks are. ये रिपोर्ट कहती है रिसर्चर डॉक्टर डेविड मेयर की. He continues, it can range from time increases of 25% or less for simple tasks to well over 100% or more for very complicated tasks. Task switching exacts a cost few realizes they are even paying. If you are trying to talk a passenger through landing an aircraft, you'd stop talking. Likewise, if you are walking across a gorge on a rope bridge, you'd likely stop talking. You can do two things at once, but you can't focus effectively on two things at once. आप actually में attention दे सकते हैं, but वो होगा divided attention. And make no mistake, take on two things and your attention gets divided. Take on third and something gets dropped. दो चीजों पर फोकस करने की कोशिश से प्रॉब्लम तब होती है जब एक टास्क ज्यादा अटेंशन डिमांड करता है और if it crosses into a channel already in use. When your spouse is describing the way the living room furniture has been rearranged and you engage your visual cortex to see it in your mind, if you happen to be driving at that moment, this channel interferes. Means you are now seeing the new sofa and love seat combination and are effectively blind to the car braking in front of you. You simply can't effectively focus on two important things at the same time. Researchers estimate करते हैं कि we lose 28% of an average workday to multitasking ineffectiveness. Employees who use computers during the day change windows or check email or other programs nearly 15 times a day. Fifth, one primary focus. 2009 में न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स के रिपोर्टर मैट रिचटेल को पुलित्जर प्राइज मिला था for national reporting with a series of articles on the dangers of driving while texting or using cell phones. He found that distracted driving is responsible for 16% of all traffic fatalities and nearly 500,000 injuries annually. Even an idle phone conversation when driving takes a 40% bite out of your focus and surprisingly can have the same effect as being drunk. The evidence is so compelling that many states and municipalities has outlawed cell phone use while driving. This makes sense. Though some of us at times have been guilty, we never concord it to the younger generation. All it takes is a text message to turn the family SUV into a deadly 2-ton battering ram. आपके काम को आपकी पूरी रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए. It deserves no less. Your work deserves your one prime focus. It may not seem so in the moment, but the connectivity of everything we do ultimately means that we each not only have a job to do, but a job that deserves to be done well. चलो इसे एक और तरीके से समझते हैं. Think of it this way. अगर हम अपने दिन का almost third distractions में waste कर दें, then what is the cumulative loss over a career? What is the loss to other careers, to businesses? जब आप इसके बारे में सोचना शुरू करेंगे तो आपको रियलाइज होगा कि इफ यू डोंट फिगर आउट अ वे टू रिजॉल्व दिस, आप अपना करियर, अपनी लाइफ और अपना बिजनेस सब लूज कर सकते हैं और वर्स कॉज अदर्स टू लूज देयर्स. Your one prime focus virtually guarantees results and distraction literally undermines results. जब आप सब कुछ एक साथ करने की कोशिश करते हैं, you can end up doing nothing well. Figure out what matters most in the moment and give it your undivided attention. In order to be able to put this significant quality, one prime focus of a be your own boss to work, you can't buy into the lie that trying to do two things at once is a good idea. Though multitasking is sometimes possible, it's never possible to do it effectively. Now, here are some common mistakes, some do's and don'ts. Embrace the struggle. Struggle, एक ऐसा वर्ड that makes you go haywire, right? ये सुनते ही अच्छों के कॉन्फिडेंस में कमी नजर आती है. आप जो भी एफर्ट्स लेंगे, आपको उसके रिजल्ट्स झट से एक दिन में ही नहीं दिखेंगे. लेकिन हम सब में पेशेंस की कमी होती है. हर एक एफर्ट के बाद हम उसी समय या जल्द से जल्द रिजल्ट्स की उम्मीद करते हैं. जैसे कि अगर हेल्थ की बात करें तो एक फिटनेस प्रूफ लाइफस्टाइल अपनाने की जगह बहुत से लोग 21 डे फिटनेस टी और पिल्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं या कोई बहुत हार्ड डाइट अपनाते हैं. साल भर कंसिस्टेंटली पढ़ने को हर स्टूडेंट एक स्ट्रगल मानता है, लेकिन वही स्ट्रगल वो करना पसंद करते हैं एग्जाम के एक महीने पहले. किसी मुकाम तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको एक प्रोसेस से गुजरना होता है. इसी प्रोसेस को स्ट्रगल का नाम दिया जाता है. You need to embrace the struggle. During the struggling period, your self-determination increases. A change in attitude also turns to a more positive side. This will help you to confront all those things that you have been avoiding due to several reasons. Embracing the struggle is the best gift you can give to yourself. Don't just contemplate about the 5 key learnings, but experience it. You implementing all the 5 key learnings of Be Your Own Boss and experiencing it personally and not just contemplating or just thinking about it is a sure shot success secret and can become your personal habit that you can use to reach to fulfill your dreams faster. ये सेट हो सकता है आपके हैबिट्स और डिसिप्लिन रूटीन की मदद से. आप अपनी स्ट्रगल्स को पेशेंटली हैंडल तो कर सकेंगे, लेकिन सबसे जरूरी है कि आप इस प्रोसेस को एंजॉय करें. आप जब तक इसे लेकर खुश नहीं होंगे तब तक आप अपनी लाइफ में हर बदलाव को अच्छे से एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाएंगे। The positive result will reflect once you follow a routine that suits your idea of quality of life and the dreams and goals you want to achieve. Third, think long term versus short term. Please, no short term thinking. I don't want you to think of, well, I want my whole life to change by the next 4 weeks. But what if we radically transform your life in the next 4 weeks? Awesome! Maybe the 5 key learnings consisting of first, one primary thing, second, one primary person, third, one primary passion, one primary skill, fourth, one primary project, one primary task, and fifth, one primary focus along with these first 2 points. Embrace the struggle and don't just contemplate but experience it. Along with these first 2 points are already game changers for you. I don't know, everyone comes from a different walk of life. Maybe these 7 key pointers have already shifted your life in a major way. We don't know. We would hope you are prioritizing this program and are paying your complete focus and attention to the learnings in this video and then would go implement them in the real world. We have got a lot of time together, 12 months, and then the weekly training for a year. You get a lot of access to Amit through this process and his methodology, and you have access to this Be Your Own Boss program for life. And we can tell you, having taught highly paid experts and entrepreneurs now for a decade, here's what we know without question, that high performers need to revisit training. You know you have to. Maybe we get you all lined up in the next 12 months and then you are going to be another level. There's more obligations. There might be more responsibility. There might be more fun. There might be more wealth, and over a period of the next year or two, it's like, you know what, at some time, we all get knocked off our game. We all have highs and lows. There's time we got to like, oh wait, I need to retool, revisit, retrain. So we know you'll come back to this comprehensive BYOB training program and videos. So please make sure you don't have too much short-term thinking. By the way, look at every problem we have literally in the world. They are because of the short-term thinking. They are usually at the crux of that when you fight with your spouse. You are in the short-term need of what you want at that moment versus the long-term thinking of the relationship. When we look at the global economy, when we think about the major crashes, there was a lot of short-term thinking that is problematic. When we think about how we have treated our sacred earth that we live on, there's a lot of short-term thinking as we decimate the forest, as we pollute the waters. We know there's a lot of short-term thinking because almost every major problem we bet, if you look at the major problems you are having in your life, career or business, or any of the major frustration, there's been too much short-term thinking or short-term action. And if you could think a little longer term and act with these 5 key learnings that every BYOB over the longer term, you can as well improve. True that is. So if that's true, all we can do is encourage you to think like, okay, let me take a bigger view of my life, career and business right now. You know, because maybe you are just like, dude, just tell me what business to start, where to get money from, how to write a business plan, where to find clients and how to build a website. Friends, don't worry. We will get to your BYOB launch plan, marketing plan, the art of bootstrapping and creating website that sells, no sweat. At some point, we will cover that, but for now, we should maybe take a bigger picture look at your life, career and business right now. Let's start thinking about the bigger picture and a longer term approach to our lives and we get better. अब देखते हैं कि आज हमने जो 5 की लर्निंग्स को देखा है, वन प्राइमरी थिंग, वन प्राइमरी पर्सन, वन प्राइमरी पैशन, वन प्राइमरी स्किल, one primary project, one primary task, and at last but not the least, one primary focus along with the three vertical do's and don'ts. Embrace the struggle, don't just contemplate but experience it, and think long term versus short term. देखते हैं कि इन्हें आप अपनी लाइफ में कैसे इफेक्टिवली इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। एक, शुरुआत में आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप इन वीडियोस को देखकर इसमें दिए गए लर्निंग्स को इंप्लीमेंट करने को लेकर स्ट्रगल कर रही हैं। ये हो सकता है कि आप में से बहुतों के लिए ये नया हो, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एक नया ट्रेंड है जो इस पैंडेमिक के समय ज्यादा देखने मिल रहा है। आप अपनी स्ट्रगलिंग पॉइंट्स को नोट करना ना भूलें। जो भी डाउट या चैलेंज आए उसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें और जरूरत पड़े तो आप हमसे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी जुड़कर अपने डाउट्स को क्लियर कर सकते हैं। मेक श्योर दैट एम्ब्रेस योर स्ट्रगल because that will give you hard-hitting learning and boost your confidence by making you understand that you have the resolution to overcome every negative thing around you. Next, सबसे जरूरी है कि आप एक सेट रूटीन में ही सारे वीडियोस को देखें और इनमें दिए हुए लर्निंग्स को एब्जॉर्ब करें। इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स नोट डाउन करके रिसर्च करना ना भूलें। आप जिस टाइम सबसे एनर्जाइज्ड महसूस करते हैं उसी टाइम वीडियोस को देखें, जिससे आपकी क्रिएटिविटी और ग्रास्पिंग पावर भी अच्छी रहेगी। एक रूटीन होने का ये भी फायदा है कि आप रिवाइंड करके वीडियोस रीरन कर सकते हैं। एंड अगर कोई भी मुश्किल आए तो जैसा कि हमने पहले कहा है कि आप कमेंट सेक्शन के थ्रू हमारे एक्सपर्ट से जुड़कर अपने सारे डाउट्स को इफेक्टिवली सॉल्व भी करा सकते हैं। दिस विल एड वैल्यू टू योर लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस। अब बारी है कंसिस्टेंटली अपने सारे लर्निंग्स को अरेंज करने की। ये एक नई जर्नी है। फिर एक नई डायरी खरीदें और आज से आप जिस भी एलिमेंट या बिजनेस प्रैक्टिस को सीखेंगे उसे इस नई डायरी में ऑर्गेनाइज करते जाएं। आप इन्हें कई सारे बिजनेस वर्टिकल स्किल्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि द एंटरप्रेन्योर लाइफस्टाइल, द सेल्स फनल सिंप्लीफाइड, द मार्केटिंग मैसेंजर, बिहाइंड द मैनेजमेंट कर्टन, मनी एंड योर फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम, the brand mastery and the client fulfillment. By doing this, you will be able to organize your thoughts in a better way that will ultimately help you to learn everything you need at your fingertips and be confident in opening a business right the first time. आपने अब तक जो भी सीखा है उसे कंसिस्टेंटली एनालाइज करते जाएं। Just like you obsess about learning new things every day, you need to obsess about how these learnings are seeping into you. अगर आपकी लाइफ में इससे कुछ पॉजिटिव चेंज आया है तो इसे भी नोट डाउन कर ले। And finally, schedule your learning and practices. Once you understand what you have learned through each and every video, set a timeline and imbibe these learnings under a deadline. इसके बाद जब आप कंसिस्टेंटली इसे एनालाइज करते रहेंगे तो ये आपके रूटीन का हिस्सा बन जाएंगे और धीरे धीरे आप अपने आप को एक बी योर ओन बॉस बनते हुए देख पाएंगे। दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टार्ट। बी योर ओन बॉस इज नॉट अ मिथ, इट्स अ रियलिटी दैट यू विल एक्सपीरियंस। फ्रॉम डे वन यू विल सी अ चेंज। You are one of the conscious few who understand how transformation can brighten your life. Week on week, we will be closer, more conscious, better, and finally practice what we have learned. Super excited, aren't you? Brace yourself. A personalized experience is on your way. Keep learning with Indian Design League and start off with your great idea and turn it into a profitable business.